school project to interview, anybody you wanted. And all my life, like Auntie Teresa Bright, her voice has been in my consciousness since I was 2. So I remember interviewing her then, and everybody remembers the Keahiwai days and the Mailani J days, and I had a great time, singing in that way. But I always knew that I was gonna return to Hawaiian music. A lot of people don't know Keahiwai started off as a Hawaiian music band, but when I decided to be a solo artist and be a Hawaiian musician, I knew that I needed some upper level training. And so that's when I reached out to her and asked her if she could be my kumu and teach me and take me on. And of course, and she did. It sounded like I said, and of course she did, no. But she did, and I used to sing a lot of No Doubt, love Gwen Stefani, and a lot of like Ray kind, English kind things, Carole King. But the thing that Auntie T taught me was how to like float your notes, and I didn't always have to sing with compression, like, She taught me how to lift my voice, and I'll never forget the way that she sang with such ease. And so Keaolani, wherever you are, Auntie T's daughter, I was like, we were doing our sound check tonight, and I was like, singing your mom's songs are really, really hard. I mean, I know you know that, but singing her songs are hard. But another artist that I'd really love to share the stage with is Hōkū Zuttermeister from Kanoa. His family is hula royalty, Mene Hawaii royalty, Hawaiian culture royalty. He's a 13-time Na Hōkū Hanohano award winner. He just got off the plane from Mexico to LA to Hawaii yesterday. So we'd love to bring him up as their ohanas are very well connected. Also from Kanoa, Hōkū Zuttermeister.
I'm happy to report that Cancun is still Cancun. How you guys doing? I know that you guys are all here because of the love and the appreciation that you had for T and what she gave to Hawaii and gave to all of us. Fortunately, I'm able to call her a cousin of mine, from that Kanoa side. As Mailani was telling you earlier, T had a, let's see, it's a once in a lifetime, but once in a generation kind of voice. One of my favorite, of course everyone has their favorites, from the early times. Mine was Mailani. But one of my favorite recordings of T was a song that takes you over to the island of Molokaʻi. It's another cousin's composition, Mr. Frank Kawaikapokalani. This one was part of his Leana series, I guess you can call it. So we share a song, one of my favorites from my cousin T.
Song for the Island of Molokaʻi there, the island of Molokaʻi.